Cable management infrastructure is essentially the backbone of a data center. As power requirements increase and the density of data centers increases, it's more critical now than ever that our portfolio of products evolves to meet the needs of the AI data centers. Clients' demands are only increasing, they're not slowing down. Speed to market, meaning how quickly they can get these data centers energized, is absolutely essential, and the investments that we're making into our business are to do just that. Cablofil is going through a massive number of different investments currently. We are investing both in capital equipment for capacity, we're also investing in systems, and we're investing in people. We need to bring all three together simultaneously to ensure that we drive service excellence for our clients. As the customer's needs are evolving, we need to evolve how we do things as well. Lead times are critical to our customers. It's usually one of the key indicators on whether or not they're going to consider us. With the expansion of this facility, it's allowing us to have more flexibility to meet the client's needs and ultimately reduce the time it takes to get product to their door. When customers choose Cablofil, they're choosing us because of our commitment to service excellence.